Hello, so this is for Enhancement 8. For for this enhancement video, I'm going to bring up the Acme website here. Okay, so this is my home page. If I click on any one of these categories, it'll bring up the different products within the category, and then if I click on the product itself, if I go back here to the picture works as a link, and the word itself, the name of the product. So this is a product detail screen. It has a full-size image of the product, the name here, the price, which is a different color so it stands out, the amount left in stock that's pulled from the database, and it's in a bolder font than this, so it stands out a little bit too, but we have the description and then a smaller, the rest of the description here at the bottom, just other details for it. So you'll notice as I change the browser window size that the CSS makes this view still look professional. So this would be like a large screen size, medium, and then we have the small screen size here. The small screen size loses the 2-column layout, so that way it still looks really nice. And this, everything that I described on this product's detail screen, or this view, works for every single one of the other ones. So if I click on explosive, we'll go to small bomb. Once again, the layout looks professional. I made up the category food, so when I click on that, it does bring up the right error message, so it says no food products could be found, so that's a good thing. If I click on miscellaneous, we'll go to mallet, for example. This one has the same thing. So that one looks professional. Giant mousetrap. Excellent. So that one still looks really good too. We'll click on another one here just so you can see. The anvil. That one looks really professional as well. So everything is working the way that it's supposed to. I'll just come here back to Mortar. So I will check the HTML and the CSS. I'm going to look at the page source for this. This would be for the HTML, so I'm going to copy this and then paste it here. And there are no errors, which is awesome. And then if I come here to the page source, we'll check all the CSS too. So this would be the small CSS. Perfect. So I'll close out of this. This will be the medium that's next. Perfect. That one looks good. And lastly, the large CSS. Just close that out. Okay. There we go. Everything looks good. Thank you so much for watching.